it's Michelle with your Marketing Minute, and today I'm going to give you 5 tips for a successful e-newsletter. The first one, absolutely, is the subject line. Keep it creative. You don't want it to get buried in that inbox of someone's. Number 2 is the images. It adds color and it breaks up some of the content and makes it a little more interesting. 3 is keep it simple. 3 to 4, maybe 5 pieces of content, whether that be an ebook, a white paper, a blog post. But keep in mind of people's times. They don't have 3 hours to read your e-newsletter every month. 4, timing is key. What time works best for your audience? Recently we sent one out at 4 p.m. on a Friday. It was so successful, but maybe that's not the correct time for your audience. So do a little research. Test it out a couple months to pick a perfect time. And 5, try to send one out each and every month. I know everyone is super busy, but it will just get your content out there and in people's faces. Thanks!